My video guide is about removing the fake browser update alerts that come from the site Mmirrs.xyz. This is a deceptive website that may attack Google Chrome browser. And the real mission of this website is to force people into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extension. The extension may hijack some crucial browser settings and cause unwanted browser redirections through random websites. So when you start submitting some search queries, you may notice some strange redirections and the results would be delivered by some other unfamiliar search engine, but definitely not by Google search. In this case, we see the results to be delivered by Yahoo search. So no matter what you submit in the search box, you may get the results by Yahoo and not by Google search anymore. This is all because of these fake alerts by the site Mmirrs.xyz. So if any unwanted extensions were installed into your Google Chrome browser, you should definitely implement certain immediate fixes of your Google Chrome. Access the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. If you see any third-party extensions, disable and remove them completely. You may also notice that simply disabling the extensions, the unwanted extension, didn't fix all the issues with your Google Chrome, and you might still see some ads popping up and disturbing you greatly. To make sure that the system is free of other threats, I recommend scanning it with a Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download the software through this green Download Combo Cleaner button, install the application and start investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware and anti-malware, you need to select the preferred scan type. But the program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. So click on Start Scan button. First of all, the program will update its antivirus database, and after that process is successfully completed, the program will begin scanning your system. The scanning may take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is. Then the program will give you the detailed and complete summary of threats that were found during the scan. Then you will be able to find out the exact location of all these threats at the end of scan in the complete summary of infections that were revealed during the scan. You may go to Settings of Combo Cleaner and reveal the excellent feature called Anti-Ransomware. This specific feature, of course, is a part of the premium license, and it gives you the opportunity to add several folders that will be properly protected by Combo Cleaner Premium version against all sorts of ransomware attacks. So if you add some of the folders on your computer to the Combo Cleaner Shield, these folders and the data that they contain will be protected against encryption by all sorts of ransomware. So, as you see, this is the summary of threats found during the scan. You may remove them manually, one threat at a time, or consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove these threats automatically.